Imagine a team at Frog Design struggling to launch a breakthrough product. They're brainstorming endlessly, ideas flying wild but no clear path. Then Vijay Kumar's book steps in, not as philosophy fluff but a toolbox, a roadmap with 101 concrete methods. It's like being handed a Swiss Army knife for innovation chaos. But which tool do you pull first? And why? Hang tight. The secret sauce of designing anything successful is about to unfold. You might think creativity is just chaos, but the book flips that. It insists innovation begins with a clear purpose and shared understanding. Without that, your brilliant ideas will scatter like sparks in the wind. At Intuit, before any idea was pitched, teams met to frame the innovation challenge, defining exactly who their customer was and what problem mattered most. This ritual wasn't bureaucratic, it was revolutionary. It saved them from chasing shiny ideas that solved no one's pain and instead focused energy on a clear target. Design research in this book is likened to a GPS for explorers lost in a jungle. Instead of guessing, you gather real data, user interviews, field observation, even shadowing people. This approach maps the terrain so innovation isn't a blind gambit, but a meaningful quest toward true user needs. Framing is the master key here. By revisiting and rephrasing the problem, say, how might we help people cook healthy meals quickly instead of make a new kitchen gadget? You open new doors. The payoff? Teams unlock surprising solutions that a narrow problem definition would have buried. Innovation isn't a solo genius moment, it's a team sport. Kumar's methods turn groups from chaotic chatter into synchronized jukeboxes. But how exactly? Let's pull back the curtain on collaboration's secret weapons. In a project with SAP, teams practiced deliberate diverge and converge sessions. First, everybody unleashed wild ideas, a brainstorm tornado. Then they switched gears, grouping and voting in rapid cycles. This rhythm kept energy high but forged clear direction, turning scattered voices into one chorus without steamrolling creativity. Personas bring a crew of strangers onto the same page. Kumar recounts a subway redesign where face-to-face user profiles, from rushing commuter to elderly traveler, helped engineers and designers argue less and empathize more. Suddenly, the problem wasn't abstract. It was Maggie, age 73, who couldn't step onto the train safely. Prototyping is like testing the waters before the plunge. The book explains how early mock-ups, even just paper sketches in IDEO workshops, let teams see what works and what crashes. It moves thinking from hypothetical talk to real touch, slashing risk and sparking unexpected insights. Most people see design as wild art. Kumar argues it's a formula waiting to be cracked, a repeatable science that anyone can learn. Let's unpack this game-changer view. Kumar organized his 101 methods like recipe cards in a chef's kitchen. Need to generate ideas? There's a method. Explore user needs? Another. Each card gives a step-by-step approach, clear enough for novices but flexible for pros. This system turns random painting into a cookable, reliable dish. Think of these methods as DJ tracks in a playlist. Not every tune fits every moment, but if you mix the right ones, like brainstorming, scenario development, and prototyping, you create the perfect innovation rhythm. The book lets you remix innovation workflows tailored to any project or team vibe. By treating innovation as planned science instead of guesswork, teams cut failures drastically. Instead of hoping for lightning in a bottle, you methodically chart the process, research, ideate, prototype, test. The surprising insight? This rigor doesn't kill creativity, it unleashes it by giving it a map. Remember Frog Design from the start? Their breakthrough came when they stopped guessing and started applying clear, structured methods. That's the core of Kumar's magic. Innovation isn't mysterious luck, but a craft you can master. So next time you face a messy challenge, try picking one of these 101 methods and see how it sharpens your chaos into clarity. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.